Should we go around the if anything, the security cars are sitting up front by the gate at the front left. Yeah, they're in here.
Maybe. Like the highlights right now from the fucking sunset are just hitting so good.
Just watch out for cars driving on this bitch if they.
I don't see no one.
Yeah, I didn't either, but there's car tracks back here.
I was gonna say they probably drive on this for sure.
Just watch out this way.
Should we get up here?
Dude.
This shit looks so frequenting, bro. I low-key want to go back around that way. Be careful.
It's slippery here, bro.
Could you take this? Yeah. There's people. I don't know who's still.
Yeah.
How do you get to the top though?
Oh shit. No idea.
Yeah.
We're trying to figure it out.
You got spooked us looking.
He might have to get up here. I don't know how strong that shit is.
Oh, damn.
I definitely.
There's no way this is the only way up. It's gotta be stairs.
We should maybe run back to that other building and try to get on the roof of that one silo, at least for the sundown.
Yeah.
See if that one has. Yeah.
Way more spray.
They can see us right here. Get down.
I can see a fucking entrance over there, bro. Yeah, with you.
Yeah. We can try it at least.
Dude, crazy.
I think we could do it.
I could totally do it.
I could probably do it.
You think so?
Yeah. It's not that hot.
Can we get it? Hell no, that shit's hard as fuck. There's like nothing to grab onto, bro. I'll go.
Here.
Lonnie, you go and Scotty go.
Okay, here.
Throw your bag.
Yeah, goes. Dustin, my man. Yeah. I'm going.
This shit is slipping for me, bro.
Oh, I swear to God. Holy shit. Yeah, put your foot on that. Anything?
Nice. Shit.
It's a secure rope, but not sure.
That shit made me. Bro, pull yourself up.
I'm coming back down. Fuck. Like that rope is starting to get cut by that fucking thing, bro. Be careful.
Damn.
We'll scout it.
For sure.
We're retarded. Dude.
Yeah,
You can go from here.
we're dumb as fuck.
Wow,
Spider monkey that bitch.
this rope is nothing compared to that one.
That was like the OG rope, bro. Is it too bright? Yeah, here, I can help you out. Got it? That bitch secure, bro.
Fuck, I just hit my knee on that.
How you got this, bro?
Watch your leg on that shit, bro.
How'd you make this bitch so steady?
Bro, put your foot on that.
I
right there.
I literally jumped basically.
Give us your bag. Give us your bag.
Yeah, brother should go all the way up after. God damn.
Maybe try to, bro, maybe go back to the entrance and grab that fucking,
Ladder.
that 3 ladder. It might get you high enough to be able to just grab it.
Shit looks good. A little bit sketchy.
Holy shit. Is, bro,
Huh? How's gonna do this, bro?
I don't know.
There's another board to get up. Do you see that board? Because the stairs are gone again.
The stairs are gone going all the way up, bro.
What the fuck?
Try and grab this pipe.
Not it.
Nah, those stairs are gone all the way to the top.
That's what I was saying, bro.
Check that shit. Just look.
That shit is hoed. If you get on that 3rd floor, you can get out onto the outside stairs, and all the stairs are there still. Huh? Yeah, the one you're on. Is there an entrance?
Like leading up to this floor?
Yeah. That's because the stairs go on up here.
I was trying to see if we could keep out and see an opening on that one. I really can't.
Like through this.
Yeah, they literally put like cement blocks in it, bro.
Wow, yeah, that's fucked. That way is dangerous, bro.
See any openings?
It sure does.
Oh, it goes to the other one, you think?
Dude, isn't the other one right there? We're outside already.
Yeah, it's literally right there. It's flooded as fuck, though. It's like a good foot of water.
Yeah, it's not crossable. At least what we have right now. This one has.
Oh, shit.
Flood water?
No, it has wood things.
Oh yeah, the water definitely isn't.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, that one way's the best way.
Who the fuck cut that?
It's not look too bad. Like, it's not.
Dude, where is this lead?
I could really walk straight.
I need to.
Okay. Nah. This shit's spooky. How deep?
Yo, what the fuck?
This shit looks like hell, bro. Did you just super dunk?
Yeah. How you doing?
It's more dry here.
That shit looks like eggs.
There's an exit right here.
It's stripping out. I can't tell what's water.
Bust for sure. Alright, well, we finna get out of here and move on to the next spot. Should end up being a bust.
Back shots. That one friend who never You just want to go
We can run in there if we want to. Yeah, just chilling. Do a quick little run in.
There's an abandoned like Super Mario right now, yo.
We'll see. I don't know, bro. Huh? I don't know. I might climb enough to get a cool little picture. And that's about it.
I gotta find some tar because it's like really cool when you see the tar coming out. Most surprise demolition. One of these smokestacks might as well be demolished. That's not what I'm talking about. But hey, like we're exploring. Like you know, we know you're there, and then they put down the lights.
Wait, look at dude. There's usually a board. This is what he was talking about. That leads from that third floor to the fire escape.
Oh, it's not there though. No, well, it's somewhere on the ground probably.
We had to carry it up once, but it was hard.
Is it?
Oh, it was hard. But yeah, you carry. He's saying like
Someone took it down, huh? Make it safer, bro.
Oh, that's a little. Was it moving and shit?
No, that's good, bro. There's a handle. Hold on to it, bro. Like a great handle. Nah, fuck that, dog. Yeah, for real. That's what I was thinking. Oh, okay.
yeah, we were like climbing up those ropes and shit, bro.
Holy fucking shit.
Got it, Lonnie. If true explorers can do it, you can do it, bro.
Are you staying, bro? Okay, TP, we'll be back, man. He's not going.
This step is awkward. It's sturdy, but it's awkward to step up. It's crazy, but y'all just did that shit. You should do it. Hell no.
Yeah, but I gotta do this climb like 5 more times before I can do that.
Yeah, for real. I'm already like out of breath.
My legs are fucking.